This is a promise to you, the rebels and leaders, the restorers and the avant-garde. Our word of honor to those who cheer us, celebrate with us, but most of all, to those who challenge us. The greatest of all compliments to the ones who cherish an original and then turn it into an icon. To those who put it on the streets and to those who put it on canvas and carpets, because wow, that's pretty cool. To those who bring their dreams out into daylight, to the pinnacle, to tame elements. You made us who we are, and you always will. It's been said before, and it remains our promise to you. Porsche, there is no substitute.